So in the 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th Pauris of Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak is getting into an ecstatic expression about the creativity of the universe. And there are certain lines that repeat at the end of these particular verses. The first couplet that repeats, Kudrat kavan kahavi char variana java ekavad. We talked about that in a different video. So today I'm going to talk about the second couplet that repeats, Jo tudabave sai balikar tu sada salamat nirinkar. Now I want to just reference that Kudrat is is talked about right before this line. And Kudrat is a word that's expressing the divine feminine. It's expressing that multiplicity of creativity of the universe. And Guru Nanak's in awe of how vast the creation is and how much is happening. Then he gets to this line, and it's a very fascinating line. Jo tudabave, so tud, so this is a you, but here he's talking to the divine, to the macro consciousness, okay? He's saying, and bhave is to please. So in this phrase, he's saying, you know, great macro consciousness, I've seen the whole creation, and we as human beings judge good and bad, right and wrong, but actually the only thing, it's only what's pleasing to you, bali kar. Bali is good or noble, and sai is like, it's like a emphasis word, okay? So this is giving emphasis to the phrase. So it's only what you like, O great creator, that's noble. That's it. I can't say what's good or what's not good, what's noble or what's not noble. It's only what you're doing to please yourself that's noble. And then he says, you, and tu is a very affectionate term. There's affection here. And again, it's referring to that macro consciousness. He's talking to that great mind, so to speak, that runs through everything. Sada is always. Salamat means safe and secure. And nirinkar is the formless divine consciousness, okay? So in these verses, he's setting up kind of a polarity between the divine as creative with Kudrat and the divine as formless in Nirankar. And so he's saying, wow, I can't talk about your creativity. And then he's acknowledging you're always in your formless self, you're always secure, you're always indestructible. Things may come and go in creation. There's birth and death, there's many different forms, but it's in the formless space, the Nirankar space, that there's safety, there's security, there's presence, there's indestructibility. And you, Creator, you're always in that place no matter what's going on. And the only thing that's happening in the creation, whether I understand it or not, is what you consider to be noble.